Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your POCO X6 Pro, let me quickly show you. So first of all, if you wonder if you can actually charge this smartphone with the wireless method, unfortunately, it is not working. As you can see, I move it on the wireless charger, but the device is actually not charging. But when you try the wired method with the cable, so here is actually my cable from my mouse. That's the cable from my Aerox 3 SteelSeries mouse. And I can actually charge my phone with this cable. So we have to plug it into the USB-C port. And now when I do this, I can find information that the device is charging. So what does it mean? That you don't even have to use the original cable or original charging brick that comes with the phone. You can use any other brick, any other cable. I'm actually connected this cable into my Pixel 7 Pro and it works without any issues. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.